What is up, guys? Dirk here. It is October 18th. I just want to make this update on the stock market on the S&P 500 because today we got a signal we haven't seen since middle 2008, and it could potentially be pretty bad and be warning us of a major sell-off that is going to come. So real quick, let's dive into the chart. This is the S&P 500. It is a 3-day chart, so every candle on this chart is 3 days. The red is the 200 moving average and the blue is the 50 moving average, simple moving averages. So you can see what we're having now. I can zoom in here. Is we got the blue crossing through the red over there, and that is known as a death cross when the 50 crosses down through the 200, and that is not something you want to see if you are bullish. Now, it's not a 100% guaranteed signal. Okay, when this happens, sometimes the price can just go sideways and it can go back up and nothing crazy happens. But sometimes crazy stuff happens, and it is actually warning us of a major sell-off that could potentially be coming, as it happened in 2008. Because you can see here on this chart, the last time that we got this death cross on the S&P 500 on the 3-day chart was back here. I can zoom in for you. In May 2008, you can see that is when we got our death cross right over here, and since then we dropped, and that was probably about a 50% drop. Let's see, that was a 52% drop in a period of 282 days, so about 9 months after we got that death cross. The market went down 50% for about 9 months. Is that guaranteed to happen this time? Obviously not. Like I said, it's not a guaranteed thing, but this signal is something to pay attention to because we have not seen it since 2008, and we are seeing it right now. So what we could potentially get is maybe a rally, right? Maybe we get a bit of a bounce, a bear market rally, but any rally until it gets back above the 200 moving average here on the 3-day. So until it gets back above, at this point in time, about 40.40, any bounce could just be a bear market rally or a short squeeze. It could still roll over and things could still go a lot lower. I've been warning about this. I made a video over the weekend saying how the price action looks very similar. Now we have this additional signal over here for more confluence of potentially a major sell-off coming over the next couple of months. Pay attention to it. Hopefully it doesn't happen, right? It would be nice if we just get a rally and we can get back above this 200 moving average and we can continue going up. That would be great. But keep in mind what's happening with the global economy, what's happening with the central banks raising interest rates, with their stance on fighting inflation, wanting to even continue to raise rates later this year. Things are just not looking good in the economy. So we will have to wait and see. But the fact that we got the signal, that is not a promising sign for the bulls. So our best case scenario is hopefully that we go sideways and we reclaim this 200 moving average. Set some alerts, keep an eye on this, because if we don't and we continue to roll over here, well, there is potential for a repeat of 2008, which would cause a lot of pain in the stock markets, but also in the global economy, the financial markets, and of course also in Bitcoin and crypto, most likely, because if we're going to see a major sell-off in the stock markets, it is very likely that Bitcoin and crypto are also still going to go lower, which is a possibility I've been talking about the last weeks and months also, that we can still go lower on Bitcoin. There's fair value gaps between 10 and 14,000, and that could very much be a potential target if the stock market continues to sell off. So I just wanted to make this important update for you to make you aware of where we are in these markets. Keep an eye on this chart. It is very important. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family to alert them too of the possibility of what is potentially playing out on these charts and what could be happening in the next 6 to 12 months in the stock markets and the financial economy. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel below, click the notification bell, get on my email list. It is the first link in the description down below, and I will see you in the next video.